Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and today I'm back with another job opening for all my learners. Isn't that amazing? I'm sure all of you are interested to know which is the job opening for the job fresher role. Yes, that's correct. This job opening is for the jobs fresher role. They are hiring aggressively and I'm going to share how to apply for this role, the company details and what are they looking for. As well as throughout this video, I'll share multiple tips on how to improve your chances to get shortlisted and how to get that final offer as well. Let's get started. This job opening is for the DevOps engineer role one, and the company name is Quillbot. You might have heard about this company. So Quillbot was founded in 2017 with a mission to help students and professionals, especially those learning English, strengthening their writing. Today, they help over 56 million people around the world create great things. Okay. And as part of this role, they are seeking a motivated DevOps engineer one to join their growing platform and SRE team. In this role, you will support the design, deployment, and maintenance of their multi-region, multi-cloud infrastructure with a primary focus on GCP. I'm stressing on this part. They are primarily focusing on GCP. You will work closely with senior DevOps engineers and developers to ensure high availability, scalability, and reliability across distributed system. They are also looking for someone who have expertise in Kubernetes, GitLab CI, Argo CD, and cloud automation. So these are the key skills they are looking for. Make sure you highlight these skills in your resume. Okay. The responsibilities part. So you will assist them or other engineers in managing multi-region, multi-cloud infrastructure, ensuring resiliency, scalability, and performance. Support infrastructure provisioning and deployments primarily on GCP. Again, they are focusing on GCP. Their entire workload maybe is running on GCP cloud, Google cloud. Collaborate with development teams to design and maintain CI/CD pipeline. For that, they are using GitLab CI. Okay, so do couple of projects using GitLab CI, and then you'll work on Kubernetes cluster management. They're using GKE and potentially other managed Kubernetes offerings as well. But as they mentioned, they are using GKE, Kubernetes service by GCP, Google Cloud. Contribute to GitOps based deployments using Argo CD, helping automate infrastructure using Terraform and other infrastructure as a code tools. Monitor system health and practice the on-call rotations, contributing to incident response, troubleshooting, and root cause analysis to improve reliability. Document process, create runbooks, and help improve operational practice. Okay. Qualification, the best part is this company is looking for someone who have bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, etc., etc. But they are looking for someone who have 1+ years of hands-on experience in DevOps SRE or related roles. So this is a perfect job opportunity for my fresher learners who are asking again and again, are there openings for fresher DevOps engineer? This is the golden opportunity. Don't miss out on this. Make sure you have a solid foundation on Linux administration and basic networking. Um, as you know, we are currently running this series Linux the final boss. Make sure you're learning Linux from there. And also we have another repository for networking. So that's in progress. That will strengthen your Linux and networking knowledge. Make sure you do hands-on practice on Google Cloud, especially using Compute Engine service, GK service, cloud storage, IMVPC service, etc. Understand Kubernetes concept. This you can learn from our CK AD or CK playlist. Familiarity with CI/CD concepts and Argo CD for GitHub workflows. Scripting using Python, infrastructure as a code tool, Terraform, familiarity with monitoring and logging tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, ELK. Most of these tools and services we have already covered in season 1 challenges. If you were part of it, you are good to go. Okay. Um, hmm. And this is a remote opportunity. I read it somewhere, so I'll share that post as well. And there are multiple benefits as well you will get from Quillbot. Amazing, amazing opportunity. How I came across this opening? So from my one of my connection, Kishan Rai, he posted about this. He's currently working at Quillbot as a DevOps engineer. So you can reach out to him, ask for referral, or understand what are they looking for or what is his work. But don't bombard him with lot of messages. Just one message and allow him to respond back. So maybe I'm not sure if he'll refer or not, but at least you can try it out, or you can reach out to someone else to understand um, their interview experiences at Quillbot. Another one was from he's an engineering manager, Vikrant Garg. He's engineering manager at Quillbot, and Deblina's post also I saw. So they are looking for this DevOps engineer role. Okay, they shared this easy apply job opening on LinkedIn. I'm not quite sure if they are reviewing applications from here, like all the applications, but still, this is the one way you can apply for this role. You can directly go to this LinkedIn job. I'll drop a link for this LinkedIn job in the video descriptions. You can check that out, or you can reach out to someone from Quillbot and ask them to refer you. That is the best way, I would say. And then focus on these keywords before going for your interview. Make sure you have good knowledge on the Google Cloud, Kubernetes, GitLab CI, Argo CD, Terraform, and monitoring tools. Okay, these are the key words I found from the JD, and you should focus on these tools before going for your interview or during your interview. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. We have our Discord server. You can always drop message me there, and someone from our team will help you out. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you soon.